Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of the nail design we're going to be working on this week. And the first thing I did was for my pinky, pointed finger, and my thumb, I painted with a burgundy nail polish. The one that I use is by Clean Colors. It's number 54 and it's called Dark Red. For my middle finger and my ring finger, I painted with a silver glitter polish. I actually used two different polishes. The first one that I used, I applied one coat of this silver nail polish, and it's by Clean Colors. It's number 209, and it's called Silver Spark. So I applied one coat of that. And afterwards, I let it dry, and then I applied on a silver, holographic silver glitter polish. This one is by Sally Girl, and I don't know if it have a name on it. Yes, it has a name. It's called Snowman Bling. And this was one of the Christmas edition nail polishes they had out, I think last year. So it's just a holographic silver glitter. And I applied one coat on top of my nail just to give it that iridescent look. So the next part of the nail design will be hand painting. I just hand painted a flower and added 3 crystal AB Swarovski crystals in the center of it. These are the crystals. They're size 6SS. The hand painting I did somewhat like a one-stroke. What I did, I took some regular red paint and I mixed it with black, and I came up with this darker shade of burgundy. And I'm going to be using a little bit of white, and I'm also going to be using a little bit of hunter green paint. So this is a brush that I'm using. I don't know if this one has a name or not. It's a retractable brush. It has the cap, if my camera focus, there we go. It has a cap on it. It comes off on the tip. I ordered it off eBay. I don't know the size of this brush or anything like that, and I still haven't purchased any new brushes. When I do, I'll let you know. But this is what the tip of it looks like. So I'm just going to do like I normally do. I'm just going to dip half of the brush in the dark burgundy, then half in the white, and I'm just going to blend it together. And I'm going to dip again and begin the hand painting. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.